I like eating fresh fruit because it is healthy. I like eating chocolate cake because it is delicious. I like eating yogurt because it is light. I like eating roast chicken with potatoes and carrots because it is filling. I like eating cereal because it is light. I like drinking orange juice because it is tasty. I like eating burgers because they are delicious. I like eating pizza because it is tasty. I like eating grilled fish and rice because it is nourishing. I like eating salad because it is healthy. I like drinking milkshakes because they are tasty.